So at some point what we will need is this shape in a solid block. Can be wood or can be cardboard. I'm going to use illustration board, and we will need this sort of template in order to draw in our pieces. Once our pieces are glued together, we need to draw this shape onto that block so we can start cutting and sanding. And the easiest way is to have a template on the solid rigid material. As I said, can be wood, MDF, or it's a bit complex to do that. If you're maybe planning to do many of these pieces, you do it in a material that is more durable, sturdy, like wood or MDF. In this case, I'm going to use it just for a couple of times, so illustration will be good. Now, you could redraw this shape here, measuring and with all the radius that will take forever. You could also print one of these sheets, cut this shape and just retrace using that on top of the paper. That's one way, but I'm going to show you this little trick that I learned when I was in college. So basically, on the other side of your sheet, with a piece with a pencil, just put some carbon, sorry. Just following the line, you can see the line of the printed part. Just add a little bit of carbon like this. Super simple. It's like these old carbon copy papers that you may still find, so you could do this with these carbon copy papers, but if you don't have one, this is the way. Just place it on top and just redraw this shape. Don't move the piece of paper, you need to keep it steady all the time. This angle is not very helpful. This position I'm drawing in is not the best. And you should have that piece there. So now we cut it, sand it, and have it ready to use.